4th Standard Science Term 2 Unit 1 Food. Question and answers. Give one word answer. In which method fruits and vegetables are preserved? Refrigerating. Which food do we eat without cooking? Raw food. Answer the following questions in brief. Name any 3 cooking methods: boiling, steaming, pressure cooking. Write any 2 food items you should eat when you are sick. When we are sick, we should take energy-giving and easily digestible foods like porridge of rice or cereals, steamed food like idli. Draw one of your favorite raw food and color it. ஏதாவது ஒரு ஃபேவரட் ரா ஃபுட்டை ட்ரா பண்ணி அதை கலர் பண்ணுங்க. Next question. Write about any 2 preservation methods. Pickling. Mixing fruits and vegetables with oil and salt. Example, pickle. Canning. Storing food in airtight containers. Example, jam. How can we reduce wastage of food in our home? We can reduce wastage of food in the following ways. Take what we will eat and eat what we will take. Share the excess food. Give the excess food to hungry animals. The next question is, what is raw food? Give example. Food that we eat directly without cooking is called raw food. Example, fruits, nuts, tubers, and some vegetables. Why should we cook food? Cooked food is digested easily. Cooking softens the food materials. Cooking kills germs. Cooking adds taste and flavor to food. What is solar cooker? Solar cooker is an appliance which is used to cook food using sunlight. It saves fuel and reduces air pollution. Why do early people prefer clay pots for cooking? Cooking in clay pots improves the quality and taste of food and also retains the nutrient. The natural insulation properties of clay cause heat and moisture to balance and circulate throughout the pot and keep the nutrients unharmed and prevent the dish from burning. So, early people prefers clay pots for cooking. Roman letter 12. Answer the following questions in detail. The first question, explain any 4 food preservation methods. We can preserve the food for a long time by using the following method. First one is pickling. Mixing fruits and vegetables with oil and salt. Example, pickle. Refrigerating. Keeping food in the refrigerators to preserve them for a short time. Example, fruits and vegetables. Drying. Removing the water content of the food. Example, fish, red chilies. The last method is canning. Storing food in airtight containers. Example, jam. Explain any 4 cooking methods. Some commonly used cooking methods are boiling, steaming, pressure cooking, roasting and frying. The first one is boiling. It is a method of cooking food by immersing it in boiling water so that the food becomes soft. Example, rice, egg. Steaming. It is a method of cooking food in steam by immersing the vessel in a container with boiling water. Example, idli, idiyappam. Pressure cooking. It is a method of cooking food in a pressure cooker. Example, rice, dal. Roasting. It is a method of cooking food by heating on a tawa or frying pan without covering it. Example, groundnut, cashew nut. Frying. It is a method of cooking food in hot oil. Chips, puri. The next question is, what are the hygienic ways of cooking food? Wash our hands with soap before cooking. Wash vegetables and fruits before cutting. Wash cooking vessels and knives. Don't cook food for a long time because it destroys the nutrients present in the food. Don't use the same oil for cooking food for many times. Using the food items after their expiry date is not good for health. The next question is, explain the benefits of clay pot cooking. The benefits of clay pot cooking are easy to digest, preserves the nutrients, needs less oil for cooking, add flavor to the dish, keeps the food warm for a long time, keeps the food from becoming stale soon. Explain some hygienic ways of taking food. Always cover food to protect them from dust and insects. Eat fresh food always. Avoid taking food that is too cold or hot. Avoid fast food and fried food. Always wash your hands with soap before and after eating. Roman letter 13. Draw the following. Draw any two fruits. நான் ஆப்பிள் அண்ட் மேங்கோ ட்ரா பண்ணியிருக்கேன். நீங்கள் ஏதாவது உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்ச 2 ஃப்ரூட்ஸை ட்ரா பண்ணிக்கோங்க. The next question is, draw any 2 vegetables. ஏதாவது 2 வெஜிடபிள்ஸோட டயக்ராம் நீங்கள் ட்ரா பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நான் பீட்ரூட் அண்ட் கேரட் ட்ரா பண்ணியிருக்கேன். நெக்ஸ்ட், draw any 3 utensils. Any 3 kitchen utensils வந்து draw பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Thank you students.